Right everyone, this is a review of the workstation or work table. I got this from Toolstation this time, and I think it was just about £50 or more, around about that price. You do get the similar items from Screwfix and so forth, so it's not just for Toolstation, and they're all about the same price everywhere. But this brand is Keter, can't pronounce this one, Keter, K-E-T-E-R, Keter, and I'll demonstrate to you how this is used. It's got storage, you can fold it away quite easily. As I'm using it right now, I'm unable to fold it, but you'll be able to see this on the picture that it's very small, and I'll put some pictures up as well so you can see it. Now storage underneath is brilliant. You can see on both sides all round you can put storage in it, and I'll demonstrate to you how it works. Right, so as you can see, it comes with the clamps. They're very easy to use. Press, comes off there. Press. That's it, that's done. Now they come off very easily into the little button here. You press, move this down, move it up and down, and they just make it bigger. And if you want to take it off, it's quite simply. There you go. So you just literally push this down here, the little slot that it's to go into. You hold this down, press it, push it forward, and you just take it out. So it's your little hooks there, put into here, slots all the way in. Okay, and there you really want. Press this down, this little bit goes inside, push it down, and lock it in place. Taking it out, press this button, and just do that at the same time. Job done. Now it clamps most of the stuff. You can use for any work till as normal. And there, tighten it, you've got it hooked up on there. And literally, it's perfect height. So you can see, I just lean on it like this. You can hold it quite a lot of weight. I can't remember how much it was, but you can see all the instructions. I think it says. It does have a maximum weight they can handle, but so far I've been standing on it, so do all the stuff, it works perfectly fine. So there you go. Thank you for watching. It's a quick review of this table, and it's been very handy to me, and I recommend to anybody else, especially with the storage. It's quite easy just to fold away. You literally push this in, close the middle part down, legs closes within itself, and it becomes, I think, about so thick and that wide. So there you go. Thank you very much for watching.